another video of JSA fishing. Out here on the Gulf of Mexico, doing a quick saltwater 5-hour trip with Fans Sea Luxury Charters. You guys should go check them out. This is the captain right behind you, Santi.
What's up, guys?
So we're circling around a school of cobia right now. We're gonna try getting some snapper, cobia, Goliaths maybe, whatever bites. So stay tuned, guys. It's a beautiful day, water's crystal clear, sun's out. Let's go catch some fish.
Un posto qui in Naples che lei è arrivata e la sua ragazza arrivano
Yeah. There you go. That's gonna be Goliath bait. Got one. Got one too.
We got snapper.
Oh.
Thank you.
I will. Yeah.
Good luck.
Tired. Help.
Put your line right. Mine's up there.
Real.
He's almost there. You got a leader. It's almost there. I see him.
Oh yeah.
I see him.
Real.
Yeah.
Oh. Wow. Good job, Jojo. Bravo.
This is crazy.
Here you go.
5 minutes into fishing, first Goliath Grouper, good 40-pounder. There you go. Look at that beauty.
Got a bigger one.
Yes, sir. Yeah. Bye. There you go.
Cobia. There we go. That's the one you want. Or it's a big jack, one of the two. Get him up. I think that one's a cobia. Not a huge one, but I think it's one of them. Is your GoPro on?
Yeah. It's a big jack.
Big jack again.
I don't know. I'm really gonna bait. My arms are
Open that bail for
yeah.
me. Nice. I tell you what he's saying, but it's screwed up.
Oh.
boy.
That's good eat?
Yeah. I think that's the first time I've ever held a fish. Honestly. Big shark?
Yeah, big shark.
Oh, you're good.
Let me just run out of your way, bud.
Let's go, Sal.
Oh! Real. Big fish, huh?
Yeah.
Real.
Salvo, what balls?
The rod's just digging into it. Real. Quick, as quick as you can. He's swimming right towards the boat. Here he goes. He's gonna take off again. It's right there, buddy. The leader's right here. Here he is. I see him. Let's go. Oh, keep it on.
Let's go, Sal. It is a shark.
Yeah, bull shark.
Oh my god.
Let's go.
Look at this.
What is it? Bull shark.
About 100 pounds?
Probably like 2, 3, 4.
Bull shark. Good job, Sal. You didn't give up the line.
Let's get another one.
Thank you.
Good job, Cap.
Yeah,
Sal.
yeah, let's go. Alright, so the bait of choice today, we're using pilchards and shrimp, as well as like for the Goliaths and shark, the shark that we just caught, we used big jacks. So yeah, that's the bait that we're using.
Yeah. Big lane. That's the next one. Spinner plate. Oh yeah, there you go.
Yeah.
Hell yeah, buddy.
Oh yeah, there you go.
I swear if it's another goal.
It's a baby mango. There you go. You just got 3 lane snapper.
There's a dolphin, just saying.
Oh!
Here's the 4th lane snapper in a row. Come on, baby. Live-O's getting full.
Over here.
We got grouper, lane snapper,
You guys ask?
permit. You guys go. Beautiful lane snapper. Woo. Yeah, babe.
Flip them in the boat. Flip them in the boat.
There you go. Double keeper, lane snapper. Yep. Boom, baby. Another one. Another keeper lane. It's beauty. Woo!
That's what I'm talking about right there.
Double trouble. Did you see that dolphin, bro?
Just on the job, guys. Just like that. Got my whole rod in. Yeah, it's another lane.
Catching him left and right.
Big mangrove. He's on a big one.
That's a big one. It's a triple, guys. A triple. We all got quadruple. Holy.
That's big, guys.
Boy, everyone is holding the fish on right now. This is crazy. Fancy Charters, check them out. Captain Santiago, check him out. We'll get you on the
They're
fish.
okay to eat.
What is it?
It's called a grunt.
Oh my God, look at this. Big go. Keep your rod up, keep your rod up.
You might be.
Oh!
Flip him in. Yeah. Open your bail.
Nice one, Noah.
It's that chin.
You guys go. We're killing the lane snapper right now. We got a hole. Got a lane, baby. You guys go. There you go, another lane, guys. Another lane, holy. Just finished up the session on the water today. Beautiful sunset in the background. It was an awesome day. We caught lots of fish, snapper, grouper, shark, that big bull shark. And we're heading back to shore now. Let's go fillet the fish. See you guys there.
Hey, Santi, quick question.
Yes, sir.
How long have you been fishing? Like, when did you start? Because you're a pretty young guy. Like, you're what, are you 16 years old?
Close to it. 22 now. But I started fishing when I was about 5 years old. No one else in my family started fishing, just me. My dad got me a fishing rod and started fishing the back lakes. And when I was about 14, my dad got a boat and I started fishing the saltwater on that little 14-foot boat. And then that introduced me into offshore fishing, inshore fishing, all sorts of fish.
How long have you been in the business industry for fishing?
Fishing for about 5 years now.
5 years?
Yep.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. I've been offshore fishing, inshore fishing.
Yeah.
I like offshore fishing. Offshore fishing.
You prefer offshore?
yeah.
Why do you like offshore?
Bigger fish.
Bigger fish?
Oh yeah, you never know what you're gonna get out there.
Do people usually book offshore or inshore? Like, which one do they book most?
All depends on the weather, you know?
Yeah.
When it's too wavy, you gotta stay inshore. But when it's beautiful like today, you get the chance to go offshore, it's always a blast.
Yeah. So what was the biggest fish you've caught during your charter?
During these charters,
Yeah.
probably like a 13, 14-foot shark.
That's sick.
Probably the biggest fish I've caught in the charter.
Yeah, and as you guys saw, we caught a big Goliath today and pretty big bull shark, which was like 10-footer.
Yeah, probably like 8, 9.
8, 9,
close
yeah.
to 10 foot.
Yeah, so we didn't do too bad. We did this 5-hour trip, and we ended up with 35 keepers, probably 60 fish in total. We killed them today.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, we did well.
Hope you guys enjoyed this video. We're gonna wrap it up. We got all this fish, we're filleting it, good meat.
Big fish fry.
Yeah. And if you guys ever come down to the Naples area, book with him, Fancy Charters. We're gonna have his links in the description. We got his Instagram and his website. So book with him. He's an awesome charter. He's an awesome guide. Thank you so much for the day we had today.
Of course, anytime, guys.
Oh yeah. So stay tuned and just guys be ready. JSA out.